Today we're going to be looking at this Oraloa diamond painting logbook. It is the English version. You can also get the French version because Oraloa is based in France. They do have a French version, and you can go to oraloa.com to check out Oraloa stuff. I am an Oraloa affiliate, so this was sent to me to share with you guys on my channel. First things first, let's get it measured. So this measures 21 centimeters by, I'd say, 30 centimeters, 30-ish centimeters. If you want to know what that is in inches, you can Google it because I'm Canadian as well, so we use centimeters. Google is your best friend. Then on the back, that was really mean, but like literally just Google it, okay? On the back, we have the Oraloa logo guy, and then let your creativity sparkle, printed in France for the Oraloa company. And this is, it is staple bound, and the cover is glossy, and it's a bit thicker paper, so it's pretty sturdy. So on the inside we have a blank page, a blank inner cover, then a blank page, and then we get to the juicy part. Ooh, okay. So we have, let's go down a little bit more. We have project number, so whatever, I don't know what you would. Is it your first diamond painting? Maybe put 1. Then we have a little hula lady here, the image, and there's, if you can see it on screen, I'm not sure, but in real life, there's a white box behind this where it says image, and the paper itself, like this the paper itself is eggshell white. It's not pure white, but the box behind image is pure white, if that matters to you at all. Then we have when you started your diamond painting, you completed it, total of hours, kit name, artist, difficulty. I don't know how to rate what difficulty level something is. Do you know? Let me know in the comments down below. Drill type, drill quality, resin has an E, but I think this must be left over from the French version. And then drill coverage, is it a full or partial? Total colors, total drills. I don't track any of this. I should technically, but for the most part, I just use Google Keep. And if you want to know how to track your stuff digitally, like if you're less of a paper person and you're more of a digital person, I'll put a link in the description box below to my Google Keep video, which is how I keep track of my diamond paintings. Anyways, total colors, total drills, special drills. Are there special drills? How many? Then we have progression. So as you're working on your diamond painting, you can start filling out this or coloring in this little progression bar. And then the seller, so I'd imagine this is the shop, how much you paid for it, when you purchased it, when you received it, was it a custom, the website you got it on, purchased or offered by. I don't know what purchased or offered by is because I would assume that the seller and this would be the same. Or maybe if you bought it through a Distash something, I don't know. And then I'm guessing this is, yeah, this is like the post review for you. Like after you're done your diamond painting, how satisfied are you with it? There's a little graph bar that you can fill in. Are there remaining drills? Hopefully there's remaining drills. My project when the canvas is finished. Okay, so what are you going to do with the canvas after you're done with it? And then a little spot for notes, so it's just really nice. And then you have like an Oraloa watermark, so it is branded on that page as well. And then it looks like, yeah, so the rest of it is exactly the same. So you get a whole bunch of them. Let's see how many projects you can actually keep track of. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think you can keep track of around 20 projects or 20 diamond painting kits, which isn't so bad. I personally, so a lot of people use either just like a notebook and they just glue in or decorate the pages, and then they put in their information. But I think this is a really good choice or option if you're more of just like, I don't want the hassle of dealing with a notebook and entering information just like manually or whatever. I don't know. I guess you would do this manually as well. But whatever. If you want something laid out for you where it's like a form that you fill in, this is a really great option for that. I know that others exist as well. But try this out. And I am an Oraloa affiliate, so this was sent to me to share with you guys on my channel. I did not pay for this. But if this is something you're interested in, go to oraloa.com and I'll have the link in the description box below, and you can actually use my code bevbe15 if you want to get 15% off your Oraloa purchase, and I'll have that code in the description box below. Just a disclaimer, I do get a small percentage of sales if you do use my code, but you get 15% off, so win-win, win-win. Anyways, if you're new here and you like this video and you want to see more of my diamond painting stuff, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, before you go, tell me, how do you keep track of your diamond paintings, or do you even keep track at all? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments down below. See you guys next time. Bye!